I lied. This will be my last video with this camera, I believe. I'm trying to give Velvet a blueberry. A blueberry? Come on, Velvet. Come on, darling. Come on, sweetheart. A blueberry? Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, where are you going? Come on, baby. Going to blueberry? Really? I thought you were really into fruit. What happened to that bunny sweet tooth? I know there's carrots in the fridge, but you're not supposed to get them that often anymore. You're supposed to use blueberries for Barbary.